In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot and Slack. First, open your HubSpot account and look up at the main navigation bar. You'll see the Marketplace icon, which looks like a small shopping bag. Click that, and from the menu, select App Marketplace. This is where HubSpot centralizes all of its integrations, so it's the safest and fastest route to connect external tools. If you don't see the icon, make sure you're in the correct HubSpot account and that your user role has access to install apps. Once you're in the App Marketplace, use the search box to find Slack. Type Slack and choose the official Slack integration from the results. Confirm you've clicked the listing provided by Slack and HubSpot, so you're installing the supported integration rather than a third-party app that might behave differently. On the integration page, you'll find an Install App button. Click Install App to begin the setup. At this point, HubSpot will prepare to connect to Slack and present the next steps. If your browser blocks pop-ups or third-party redirects, allow them for this site so the authentication flow can open Slack in a new tab or window. You'll be redirected to Slack for authorization. If you aren't already signed into the Slack workspace, you want to connect? Sign in now. Slack will show a permissions screen listing what HubSpot will be able to do, such as posting messages or accessing channel information. Read the requested permissions carefully, then click Allow to grant access. Note that you may need to be an admin of the Slack workspace to complete this step. If you don't have the necessary role, ask your workspace admin to authorize the integration for you. After granting permissions, HubSpot and Slack will finalize the connection. Keep an eye on your email, because Slack sends a confirmation email once the app is installed. That message confirms the integration and offers a quick summary of what was enabled. Back in HubSpot, the integration listing should now indicate that the app is connected. You can return to the App Marketplace entry to view settings or manage the connection. If the app doesn't appear as connected, try refreshing the page, checking for multiple HubSpot or Slack accounts, or verifying that the same email address was used. With the connection in place, you can start using Slack notifications and workflows that integrate HubSpot activity into your team's channels.